Hey guys, welcome back, and this is how to check Google Form responses. So first thing that you will do is simply go ahead and go to your Google form, and after that just simply select one of your form that you want to check the responses. And after that, at the top you should be able to see here responses at the middle, guys. So just simply go ahead and select this one, responses. And from here, as you can see, we have two responses so far, and you will have here the summary, and you will have here their names, their address that they input, and their number and their comments. And you should be able to see here all of the questions and answers that you have. And when you go for the question, you could do the question one by one and should be able to see the responses that they have. And you can go for the individual as well. And that's pretty much it. Just simply go for this responses tab in order for you to see it. And there you go. See ya.